Hey, good morning, happy Tuesday everybody. Rob Rosera from Social Networking Professionals. It is Tech Talk Tuesday and I'm happy to be here and I'm happy for you guys joining. We got a bunch of people on today. This is awesome. Alright, if you guys are joining me live, drop me a hashtag live. If you're on replay, hit me a hashtag replay and let me know where you guys are from. We got a bunch of people on. Cool. We got Whitney, Wilma, Gayla, Donna, Marlo, Wilma. Awesome. All right, so today, nobody really dropped any questions, so that's good. That means you guys are getting it. You guys are basically figuring it out for yourself, which is awesome. You're gonna put me out of a job, but it's actually really cool. I've been watching some of you guys do some lives out there, and you guys have been absolutely awesome. And I gotta throw some kudos here to Whitney because I want to show her screen real quick. So we talk about funneling your Facebook and how to funnel your. We're gonna actually talk about something else today, but. We do talk a lot about funneling your Facebook and how to actually do it. And Whitney did a live the other day where she talked about how she did hers. And I'm going to share my screen and show you hers just because she did a fantastic job at it. So give me 1 second here. Let me see if I can switch over here. So this is Whitney's screen. So this is her homepage right here, her profile. And it is absolutely awesome here because of the fact that it is all about her and her family, right? And you can see that going through her page. But what does she do for people that want to know a little bit more about here? So this is her why right here. So learn more. Look at this. You click on here and pow, it takes her to her Facebook profile, her business profile right here. And if she wants to know a little bit more, this is actually this is her business. Yeah, this is her, what is this one right here? This is her company profile right here. And this is her business one right here. So that is awesome. So awesome job, Whitney. Just wanted to say absolute kudos to you. You did a fantastic job. I was spying on you the other day watching you do your live, so great job. So anyway, let me jump back here real quick. Man, I've got way too many things working here. So okay, so one of the things I want to talk about today is, and you know what, we're gonna use Whitney's things as another example right here. So one of the things I want to talk about today is something called short URLs, right? And a lot of times we share URLs around, especially with Facebook, right? And they're ginormous, and sometimes they're even bigger than that. They have these just massive amounts of links on there. So anyway, when you paste it in, right, it just looks absolutely horrible. So for example, there's a key that I was sharing with somebody. So I'm gonna pop my screen here. Let's go to the center monitor right here. So if we come into here, and actually, you know what, I'm gonna just do a little quick demo. So I have a test group that I have. Okay, so if I want to share a link with somebody and it looks like this, right? Actually, sometimes it's even worse than that. Let's do this. Let's share this live link right here. Let me see if I can do that just because it'd be a better example. Okay, so right here. So okay, so we have this giant link right here, right? And that just looks ugly, right? You don't want to put that out there somewhere. So what you want to be able to do is make that nice and small, right? And it's actually a really cool thing. So there's two things out there. There's 100 different ones out there, but there's two main ones that I actually use. And one is called Bitly and one is called Rebrandly, and you've probably heard of both of them. So let me do this. I'm going to share my right screen right here. So this is Bitly. So if you go to bitly.com, and I will go ahead and put this in the comments here if I can. Okay, so that's the first one. So Bitly, and it's totally free, 100% free. Just come here, click on sign up if you don't have an account yet. Otherwise, you can click on login. It's cool. It hooks right to your Gmail account, which is nice and easy. So once you log in, essentially all you do is you come up here. This is your dashboard, right? This will be all the links that you create, and this is some information about them. So I'll just do a quick example. So we had this link before. So we're going to go create. So I'm going to paste the link. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Haha. I wanted this link right here. So this is the link here to the live. So all right, so we'll paste that in there. And you can see what it did. It created this new Bitly link right here. So if anybody goes to this link, right, it'll actually go to our Facebook Live that we just did. And we can actually create, we can actually customize this. So we can do this, we can say like Rob's Live on 5/12. Right? Nobody's probably going to have that. So we click Save. So what we've done is we've now created this cool little link right here that if we give it to anybody, right, it'll go ahead and automatically forward right to the Facebook Live that we're doing. And we can actually create. So really kind of cool, right? Now you can, instead of having to worry about sharing this giant long link, now I just have to worry about giving people that, which is awesome. So the people that have worked in, on funnelizing at Facebook, right? One of the issues that sometimes you notice is that on this spot right here, and we're going to use Whitney's things right in here, you can actually put links in here, but you can't put a giant link. So you can use a quick little bit.ly. And actually, I think I do it. Let me see if I can jump to my page quick. Yeah, so right here. So this is a perfect example. So here's a Rebrandly link that I use. And if we click on this, right, this will actually take me to this, like, look at this giant URL it used up here. And eventually it redirects to exactly where I want it to go, which is the bot, right? So that's just an awesome little thing. Rebrandly is another one right here. Same exact type of thing. And here's a cool thing about all of these, is that they actually give you stats on certain things. And what I mean is that I can come in here and you can see, like, okay, so this particular link right here so far has gotten 18 clicks. So if I click on this, there's actually a way to get, okay. So now here's some information about it. So in the last 12 hours, last click was 12 hours ago, we've had a total of 18. This is where it's come in from. Here's some more information. These are the most popular days. So it just gives you a lot more information about things that you wouldn't have otherwise, right? Otherwise, you're just wondering, hey, how many people actually click that link? Which is one of the reasons why you notice any links I put out there, for the most part, are going to have a bit.ly in there, just because I want to see, are people actually clicking that link? And that's a huge thing too, because I can tell if certain things are working and certain things are not. Also, what you may want to do is, if you do a long post or a long email, what you can actually do is you can bit.ly certain spots within there, so you can see which links are actually being clicked. So you can maybe bit.ly one, even though they're all going to the same spot, you can name one link 1, one link 2, one link 3, and what happens is that as they click in through there, you know exactly which one they're clicking on. So it just gives you a lot more data, a lot more information on what links people are actually clicking on, what type of interaction you're actually getting with things. So so that was really it today. Just a literally quick little small Tech Talk Tuesday, just one of those little things that a lot of people use and not a lot of people know about. So it's definitely a great thing. Take advantage of it. Like I said, it's 100% free. They do have paid versions if you want to get some more data going on there, but for the most part, the free versions are absolutely awesome. So so then let me know if anybody has any questions up here. Let me roll through the comments real quick. And all right. Yeah, Whitney, and like I said, it's an awesome, great, really great job on those. Let's see. Yep, that's about it. Awesome. Donna, yes. So I'm glad you guys got some value out of that. So if you guys have any questions at all, question. All right, Donna has a question. What's up? Let me know what your questions are. Let's see. Just going to hang on one second. Anybody else has any other questions? Gustavo, how are you, my friend? Hey, I have a couple emails I have to send you. I did not forget about you. I got just really tied up with a bunch of stuff. I'm going to be chatting with you a little bit later, though. I'm going to reach out. So, all right, Donna has a question about the video speed controller. All right, what's up? Oh, you're very welcome, Whitney. How do you get the learn button on the timeline cover picture? So what you can do is, what she actually did is, there's something called Canva. And let me share the screen here real quick. There we go. Okay. So what she did is in Canva, right? Is you can go up here to templates, and you can just do a search for Facebook cover. And then when you create your Facebook cover in here, all you do is come down here to elements and go to buttons. Oops, let's get rid of that. And then all you do is put some text on there. Put this, learn more. That's it. And then just use that as your Facebook cover. I mean, obviously, it's customized to whatever you need. So, I mean, if we look at let me jump to my monitor here. If we look at Whitney's quick, Whitney, I'm using you as the official demo today, so I appreciate it. So what she did is, so this whole thing right here is her her profile picture, and it's just in Canva. She basically took the image and just added this button right in here, and then saved that as Canva. And same thing right in here, as the featured pic. She kind of did the exact same thing, moved it around a little bit, added the button right there in Canva. So, okay, set the funnels. All right, Gustav, yeah, I'll get back to you on that. Explain how to do the new version of Facebook Live. I have no camera, no mic. I have to download. New version of Facebook Live. So let me see. All right, yeah, Wilma, hang on one second. Hang on one second. Download Chrome beta version. Okay, so let's look at the new Facebook Live, and I'm assuming you mean this thing right here. So I'm not sure what the issue is. Let's see. You said I have no camera, no mic. I have to download. I'm not sure what you mean. I tell you what. Let's hook up hook up offline, and we can talk about it. And Donna was mentioning every time I click to fast forward anytime, each click keeps taking me in and out of widescreen. Donna, that depends on the video and where it's coming from. Use the keyboard shortcuts instead. I think it's like F or G will actually do it. That'll move it forward. And some of the things, I want to say it's Vimeo and one others. If you're watching it fast forward and you click it, it'll bring it up full screen. It's just the way that it's the way that the video controller is on the back end. It's nothing at all with the different with the way the controller works. So, or with the way the video speak controller works. So, I have a different screen. I'm not sure, Wilma. Tell you what, let's look up a little bit after this, and we can figure it out together. So we can definitely work through that. So, alrighty. All right. Anybody else have any questions? Drop them in there, and otherwise, I will talk to you guys soon. And have a fantastic day. All right. Take care. Bye bye.